Now we have to discuss the applications of additive manufacturing in medical industry. So this is the one of the uh, prominent industry where this additive manufacturing will be adopted 95%. Okay, so this industry is one of the largest users of additive manufacturing nowadays. So it is one of the industries where additive manufacturing advantages of complex parts design freedom and personalization can really be utilized. So it means what? So maximum advantage of additive manufacturing that will be utilized in this particular medical industry, and personalization of every product is done through the additive manufacturing principle. So some of the uh, fields are there of this respective medical industries. We can say that these are areas where we can applying this principle, through which we can get some good uh, what applications. That is a hearing aids. I think you heard about hearing aids that will be what related to here. So that whatever the hearing aids, the hearing aids that will be coming out from in the market, that will be produced by this 3D printing or additive manufacturing, which are very essentials. Okay, so next, the ability to practice before procedure. It means what? So this will be related to surgical field. The surgeons can be use the data taken from the MRI and CT scans, so to build the 3D models of patients anatomy, and they will be operate on. It means what? Sometimes what happens, it will be for related to patients, the doctors will be going for preparing some anatomy parts. Related to that, there is a need of, there is a from those MRI and CT scans, we can construct such a kind of anatomy parts. Okay, next is the dental industry, so which is a famous industry where additive manufacturing regularly utilized, which is also one of the biggest uses of additive manufacturing. So I think you nowadays see that there's a lots of changes in uh, uh, that arrangement of the teeth. The persons who will using the arrangement, the natural arrangement of the teeth, they can what fix those the series of the teeth by using this additive manufacturing. It means what? That manufacturing of those artificial teeth will be done by this 3D printing. The patient specific implants, that is a famously known as a PSI in medical industry, that is a patient specific implants. It means what? Some of the organs has to be implanted, so this can be very expensive and time consuming, so which is very easily done by the 3D printing and additive manufacturing process. Some of the applications of 3D printing outside the traditional manufacturing include the possibility of 3D print organs. So you see that, so there are organs are there which will be produced by making utilization of 3D printing. So that will be the famous nowadays. What happens in medical industry, the organs will be that will be produced, which will be very useful for the humankind. Okay, that will be done by this technology. Okay.